Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. The winter is slowly fading away. So I want to introduce you to my charging solution for the Pajero. I was in need of the way to charge my handy and at the same time possibly use navigation, because as you know the Pajero is old enough to don't have these nice features. So in this episode I will show you what I came up with and how you can get one yourself and support the channel in the same time. So stay tuned. The problem was that in Pajero you don't have any particular place to put your phone nicely in, and you have no way to charge it easily, and not wireless for sure. In Pajero we have this fancy place in the middle of the console where you should put your business cards or something like that. I don't know what the guys were thinking when they were developing it. So I thought, you know what? In my case, I detached this small cover which was in front of it, and I developed a platform where you can put the wireless charger pad in and then slide it right in, and then you can put your phone nicely. It will charge wirelessly. You will see your navigation. It's a 3D printed holder, so you can put it together. You buy charging pad from well-known e-commerce platform. The size will be given on my Patreon. You can just put the ready-made panel into it and then put your phone in it and charge it, or charge it, turn on the navigation in the same time, and then bob's your uncle. There was a lot of development on it. It just sometimes seems like there is like a quick easy way, but this is one of the first prototypes. It's absolutely over the top. There was another pieces, test pieces. I don't even have all of them here. That's the charging platform. So that's how it looks now, installed in the car. You can see this is like a standard charging pad with printed frame, and you can stick it. You see there is like cable management in it, so you can kind of put your cables nicely there in. Just hold them in and then slide everything on place. I mean, this is pretty much as deep as it gets. You need to remove this original cover, and then you can slide this one in. It's holding the phone. I mean, you don't really need to clamp it anyhow. From the driver's perspective, you can see all these buttons. You don't see this button being engaged. I like this very much. This will be available on my Patreon. And I thought I would like in this year to install a winch and make this roof platform and all that stuff. And I want to take everybody on the trip with me to actually do it. But it's not very cheap hobby. So I thought I will just create some kind of a support posts on the Patreon to support the channel, and everyone who will buy such a post will get one of those prototypes. There will be probably a small amount because it takes a while to print. The material is cheap as chips, but it just takes time to make them. I probably will make some posts with STL files for somebody who would like to print it himself. And there will be probably like 3 tiers for people wanting the ready piece, because shipping. There will be just 3 tiers if you are Germany, if you are EU, or you are worldwide. There will be 3 tiers. If you want to have it sent to Australia, it's no problem. It will be just a little bit more expensive. Profit, if we can call it, it's going toward offsetting the cost of a winch and everything, because we already have a winch holder. I'm a little bit dancing around the topic of buying a winch because it's not cheap. If you are from Germany, you can of course buy the worldwide tier post, and then you just support more if you want. If not, it's fine. It's no problem. It's non-profit of operation. So I don't know if there is something more I should tell you about regarding this holder. It's supposed to be actually a short video, but it probably didn't end up like that anyway. The coming next will be probably a little bit of a very small summary video of the channel, because we are heading in the direction of 800 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. I appreciate that greatly, and every new subscriber, it's awesome feeling. We have actually quite a booming Patreon community, I would say. It's quite crazy how many new patrons we have, and we have some paying patrons. I'm very grateful for that. Invitation is there down below. You can find everything you need. I hope you will enjoy. I hope there will be something for you. We have much more stuff on Patreon, and I hope there is much more stuff coming because the weather is finally getting where it's supposed to be. So there will be time, there will be opportunities to work in the carport. Yeah, stay tuned for the summary for the channel. I just want to say thank you for joining me, and I want to show you how beautiful it is now. The winter is gone, and there should be some lower temperatures soon, but I mean, look at that. It starts to be green, it starts to be a little bit of sun. What do you wish more? And you see that? That's the beginning of the roof platform. If you're interested in that, go to Patreon, it's all there. And you see people on the bikes. The winter is gone. See you in the next one.